Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. While we wait on some other parts like our big brake kit and our dress-up bolt kit, I do have a new maintenance item that recently came out, and I wanted to get it installed and show you guys. Over here at the bench I have this new maintenance item. It is a part from K&N. This is the cabin air filter. So we replaced this about a year and a half ago. The OEM, I think they do recommend replacing it once a year, but with this K&N one, it is a lifetime air filter, so you can just take it out once a year, clean it, put it back in to make sure you have that nice fresh air inside your cabin. We're going to be going on a road trip to Boxerfest in about a week and a half, and I feel like this was a good time to get our cabin air filter swapped out since we'll be sitting in the car for about 8 hours or so to get up to Pennsylvania. So I'm going to get you guys set up. I'm going to show you where the cabin air filter is located. We'll get the stock one taken out, and I'll show you what it looks like after about a year and a half, because we did replace this about a year and a half ago, and then this is going to be basically the last time we have to replace it. Next year we can just, or basically whenever, I can just take it out, clean it, and put it back in if I ever think it's getting a little like musty or something in the cabin. But let me get you guys set up and we'll start this install. Let's go. All right, so we're inside the car. Your cabin air filter is going to be located on the passenger side. If you pull the glove box down, you'll see you have this little plunger here. You can take everything out of your glove box right now just to make things a little bit easier. But with this little plunger right here, just take your thumb and pop it out. So now it's free moving. Then on each side, you just want to pinch in, and it kind of just drops. And you can just pull it out. So now glove box is out. I'll just put that in the back. And then now you see your blower motor right here. There's just a little tab. Just pull it out. There you go. So here's the cabin air filter just taken out. We got some leaves, got some bugs. But all in all, it doesn't look that bad. The car is garage kept, so it shouldn't really be that dirty. If your car does sit outside, I'm sure this would be much dirtier. But anyways, out with the old. And we can grab the new K&N. And it should just slide right in. And you just want to make sure that the K&N filter, it's facing like the normal way up. It says K&N, part number VF2084, made in the USA. So it should just slide right in, which it does. Very snug. And that's it. So now we just have to reinstall the glove box. So grab your glove box. First thing you want to do is get it attached at the bottom. So you can just clip it on. All right, and then clip the plunger in. And you're all set. Put all your stuff back in the glove box. Install is complete. Now we have fresh air and we can clean the filter whenever we want. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick little install video about the K&N cabin air filter. I will have that linked in the comments below in case you guys wanted to pick one up for yourself. Now, we are still waiting on some parts from, at least for Boxerfest. I thought we were going to get the brakes in time, but just things happened. There was like a tsunami, and basically the brakes are delayed a little bit, and then we had to get them powder coated. So they're just taking a little bit longer, which is perfectly fine. We should get those probably the week after Boxerfest. Now we do have a dress-up bolt kit coming from Dress Up Bolts. So put in the comments below what color you think we got. We're going to be putting that on in next week's video just before Boxerfest. But that's all I got for you guys this time. See you next week.